Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of Zalo app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Zalo app and you will click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.